Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to see keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. Keyframes are essential for creating smooth animations and transitions in your video projects, so knowing how to view and manage them will give you much better control over your edits. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application and let's get started. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your interface and click on Edit. This takes you to the editing workspace where you'll be doing most of your timeline work and adjustments. Before we can view keyframes, we actually need to create some. So go ahead and click on a clip in your timeline to select it. Once it's selected, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Inspector. This panel is where you'll find all the properties and parameters for your selected clip, including position, zoom, rotation, and more. Now let's add a keyframe to demonstrate. In the Inspector panel, find the Zoom option. You'll notice a small diamond shape icon next to it. Click that diamond shape to create your first keyframe. This marks the current state of your zoom at this point in time. Next, move your playhead forward to a different position on the timeline. Then click the diamond shape again next to zoom. You've now created a second keyframe, which means DaVinci Resolve will automatically animate the zoom between these 2 points. Here's where the magic happens. On the left side of your interface, look for a keyframe icon. It usually looks like a small diamond or graph symbol. Click on it to open the keyframe editor. This is the dedicated space where all your keyframes become visible and editable. Now you can see the keyframe graph displayed. If it looks cramped or you're having trouble seeing the keyframes clearly, simply resize the graph by dragging its edges or adjusting the view. Once you expand it properly, you'll have a clear view of all your keyframes and can see exactly how your animation curves flow from one point to another. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view keyframes in DaVinci Resolve, which opens up a whole new level of control for your video editing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.